Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equal to u to the power of 3. Because if I put this one goal here and here, we can cancel about the cubic root. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 3u squared du. So this one I will put in here. This one I will put in here. The s we change by this one. If we simplify and we have u squared in here, similar for this one. So number 3 I will put in here. U squared and u squared, we have u to the power of 4. Next, I can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So u equal to 2 times t. Because if I put this one goal here, we have 4 times t squared. Number 4, we can do about factorization. Tan t squared plus 1. We change secant of t squared, and later that we simplify by du. We do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of tan t, you got about secant of t squared, and we have dt. So I will put this one goal here. This one goal here. Du we change by this one. This one we have 4 times t squared. Number 4, we can do about factorization. This one we need to expand. We got about 16 times t to the power of 4. This one we have secant of t squared. We simplify 2 secant of t squared on numerator and denominator. 16 divided by 2, we have number 8. Number 3 and number 8, we have 24. About tan t to the power of 4, we can put into tan t squared and tan t squared. About tan t squared, we can change into secant of t squared minus 1. This is about trigonometric identities. So tan t squared multiplied by secant of t squared and negative number 1. Now, I will concentrate about this one only. So, we need to use about integration by substitution. So, I will put about u equals to tan t. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to secant of t squared dt. So this one we change by u. Secant of t squared dt we change by du. The integration of u squared, we have u to the power of 3 over 3, and we put about c. About t, about u, we change by tan t. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. Next, we have number 24 in here. About tan t squared, we can change into secant of t squared minus 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of secant of t squared, we have tan t. Number 1, we have t. And later that, we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 2. And we got about t equals to arctan of u over 2. So I will put this one to change for t. About u, that is about this one. So I will put the cubic root for the both sides, and you got about u equals to the cubic root of s. So I need to change u into this one. And we got the final answer. And this is the final answer in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.